Hey everyone, Andrew Howell here from RE/MAX Sarnia Realty, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to my newest lakefront listing, 3194 Dana. It's located in the prestigious Wellington Beach 2 in Kamlaki. So if you or someone you know is looking for a beachfront property in a prime location and are ready to take advantage of some of Sarnia's finest lakefront sandy beach, give me or your realtor a call today.